Have you ever given up too quickly? One attempt at the gym and you quit. 1 week of studying and you're distracted. One small failure and suddenly you believe you'll never make it. But here's the truth. Life was never designed to reward a single effort. It rewards the discipline of showing up, even when nothing changes. And maybe right now, you're in that place yourself. If you are, then this story is for you. Watch closely till the end, because it won't just inspire you. It might change the way you see discipline forever. And it all starts with an arrow.
On the edge of a quiet town, there lived a young man named Ethan. Restless, fiery, and tired of waiting. He wanted quick results, whether it was fitness, learning a skill, or chasing dreams. If it didn't work fast, he would give up. His room told the story. A dusty guitar in the corner, a half-written notebook tossed under the bed, a set of dumbbells lying untouched. Outside, children laughed and played in the streets, but Ethan's heart was heavy. He hated starting over, hated failing, and worst of all, hated waiting. One afternoon, as the sun painted the fields gold, Ethan wandered out of town. That's when he noticed a tall man standing alone in a silent field. His back was straight, his hair gray, and in his hand was a bow. Arrows scattered the ground around him like fallen leaves. He pulled the string, released. The arrow sliced through the air, straight into the bullseye. Ethan froze. For the first time in days, he felt curious.
Strange, isn't it? We envy the shot that lands, but never see the 1,000 that missed before it.
Ethan's impatience burned inside him. He stepped forward. "Sir, can I try?" The archer, Mr. Reed, a retired soldier known for his steady aim, studied Ethan's eager face, then silently handed him the bow. Ethan grabbed an arrow, pulled the string, and released. It missed the target completely. "Ugh," Ethan groaned. "This is impossible." Reed stayed silent. Only his calm eyes followed Ethan. Ethan tried again. Missed again. Each time his frustration grew louder. His arms ached. His pride hurt more.
But deep down, Ethan already knew. His fight wasn't with the target. His fight was with himself.
"Why can't I do it?" Ethan yelled. Reed finally spoke, his voice calm. "Try again." Ethan sighed, pulled the bow, missed again. Reed's tone didn't change. Again. Arrow after arrow, Ethan failed. Sweat slid down his neck. His fingers stung. His anger boiled. At last, Ethan snapped, "I'm done. Some people just have talent. I don't." Reed shook his head slowly. "Look around you." Ethan glanced down. Hundreds of broken arrows scattered across the ground. Some cracked, some bent, some buried in dirt. He blinked. "You missed this many times?" Reed picked one arrow from the ground, turning it in his hands. He said, "Every shot that missed taught me where not to aim." Discipline is not about one arrow. It's about standing here, even when all of them fail. Ethan stared, caught between disbelief and shame.
Wait, freeze this moment. Picture it. A field filled with arrows. Not trophies of success, but scars of failure. Would you still stand there, or would you quit?
Ethan's breath slowed. For the first time, he didn't feel anger. He felt silence. He picked another arrow. His arm shook less this time. He pulled, released. It landed closer. Not the bullseye, but closer. His eyes widened. "It's working." Reed gave the faintest smile. "Now you're learning."
Funny, isn't it? We think discipline is chains. In truth, it's the only road to freedom.
The sun dipped low, painting the horizon crimson. Ethan stood taller now, his shoulders steadier. He missed again, But he didn't groan. He simply reached for another arrow. Reed walked beside him and said, "One arrow never makes an archer. One day never makes a man. But pull the bow long enough, and one day your aim finds you." Ethan lowered his bow. His chest rose and fell, but there was a calmness inside him that hadn't been there before. For once, he wasn't rushing.
The hard truth is, success doesn't come from one perfect strike. It comes from the arrows you pulled when no one was watching. Discipline is not punishment. It is proof that you stayed when comfort begged you to leave. Consistency is not boring. It is the slow carving of greatness into your soul. Maybe right now, you're holding your own bow. Maybe you've missed again and again. Don't drop it. Pull once more. Because one day, the arrow will fly straight. And when it does, they'll call it talent or luck. But you'll know it was discipline. Like, if you believe one arrow can change your life, share so someone else doesn't quit after their first miss. Comment the word discipline and we'll carry your voice forward. And don't stop here. The next step waits for you. The meaning of life. Tap it now.